my channel. I'm going to be doing a haul today. I did order some stuff. I actually got quite a bit of stuff over here from different places like Sephora, Burke's Outlet, which is a store like Ross, Dollar Tree, the drugstore, and JCPenney's because my mom bought me one thing from JCPenney's. Anyways. Two things I'm going to address. One, I have a burn because I put my arm over my rice cooker, which has steam, and it burned me. So this is pretty much like I've had it for like, I did this last week, so yeah, this week, like Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't even remember. So it's feeling better. And then I upload for my last video. I want to say I really appreciate everybody's sweet comments, and all your prayers and thoughts and everything. I really appreciate that. It really means a lot to me. I'm sorry I didn't respond to comments, but honestly, I just had to take a break from YouTube for a little while. That's why I haven't uploaded in a while. I did make a few videos after that video, but I didn't upload them because I just have been taking a break and resting and stuff. A lot of things have happened. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to get too close. I have a rash on my skin. This is like really much better. So I had my DNC the day after. I'm gonna do a life update just like really quick, and then I'll do the haul. So I will post the time if you don't want to watch this part down in the down bar, or maybe up here in the, if you want to see the haul and skip over this. But I'm just gonna do this really quick because I want to do this for my subscribers and I don't want to make a separate video. Anyways, I had my DNC the day after that video I posted. It was the next day. Well, actually I posted it maybe on that day or something. I don't remember. The day I made it was Tuesday and I ended up having it Wednesday on spring break. And then they gave me some pain medication and they gave me some ibuprofen to help with the pain and, made sure I was okay and everything. And it went fine. Everything went well. And then I got home and I was resting. My mom helped me and my husband helped me that day. So, because I was under anesthesia and that really makes you sleepy. Like, I slept for like a long time. And then I took the pain medication because I was in some pain, not like a lot, but I was in some pain. And so, I did take the pain medication, but I think that either had a reaction to the pain medication, which I thought I did, or maybe the antibiotic that they gave me in the hospital when I did my surgery. Either way, I had a reaction. A doctor asked me why I didn't call, because I had this reaction a few days after it happened. I didn't call because I just thought it would go away, but it didn't go away. I had it for almost a week and a half. When I went back this Wednesday, for my final checkup, they want to make sure you're okay and everything's fine. I showed her my rash and it was really bad. Like, I had gotten worse. This is like not even what it looked like. It's from here, basically off my neck, all the way down my body. It's not as bad on my arms, but it was really bad. Especially on my back, like it's the worst on my back. So I was doing like oatmeal baths and Epsom salt and what is that called? Antihistamines and all these other things, and it wasn't working. So she gave me a steroid pack that I have to take for the next 6 days, and then also I have an antihistamine that I can take if I want to. It's supposed to help you sleep, but honestly, it's not really doing that. I haven't slept very good in a while either. But anyways, on to the next note. I'm okay. Continue to pray for me, please. I'm still emotionally not doing as well as I'd like to. I have moments, and so, I did a little shopping. Not a lot, but my husband got a bonus, and I got a few things, and then I picked up some drugstore stuff that I wanted to review for you. So, anyways, let's start with, I have it in a box right here. And I'm knocking things off my desk. I'm going to start with the one thing I got from Dollar Tree. I got this from Dollar Tree. It is a nail file thing. It comes with 3 different little things you can put on there. They have these at Dollar Tree right now. This is the nail one. I have the foot one too, so it's both from the same company. I can't remember. Like, it's like Amore. I don't know. It's for this one's for your feet, and this one's like to take off the calluses. And this is for your nails, like for your fingernails and your toenails. I would not put this near my toenails because of the fact that, this was only $1. I would never ever pay full price for this because this is like, I think originally like $20, $30 for this. My mother-in-law bought that one, I didn't. And she got me for that for Christmas. And then I bought this because I wanted to try it. And I do like it. It does have 2 speeds. I would not put it on the second speed because it hurts my nails a little bit, but I do like the filing one and I like the buffing one. I know you're not really supposed to buff your nails because it damages the nail bed, but I do like the filing one, so I think that was worth the $1. Then I went to Burke's Outlet. Like I said, it's a store kind of like, it's a chain that's under Belle's. It's an outlet store that sells higher end stuff and then like just regular stuff at a discount. So I found some Dr. Brandt products there for like really cheap, which is kind of unusual because normally I don't find Dr. Brandt stuff there. I find like the cream shop, and I find my Betty Johnson purses there for like 20 bucks. And stuff like that. We do have a Belle's, but the Belle's that we have in our mall, it's very small. Our mall is very small. The Belle's that we have in our store is not connected to the Burke's Outlet. Apparently there's only certain, I don't know. I looked it up. You can look up the store, and if you want to read about it, it's fine. Anyways, don't need all that explanation for 2 products. Okay, one, this Dr. Brandt, and I think you could find this at Marshall's. I did look at some reviews of this before I bought it, and I know people were finding it at like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and stuff like that, so you may be able to find it other places. But this is the Dr. Brandt Collagen Serum, originally $78, I got it for $12.99. It isn't an airless pump, you know, so it keeps it from getting, it was $12.99 like I said, and it's good for 12 months, so I'll probably use this up before it's, you know, no way no. But it does have a little bit of a funny smell, but I don't think it's, a lot of people said when they first bought it, it smelled like that, so it's not like it went bad or anything. But I'm really excited to use this. It's for your after cleansing your face, you just massage over your face, so I really like that. I actually have tried it and I do like it. It does have a little bit of a funny smell, but to me it doesn't bother me. This is the this is the Pores No More brand, and it's Poor Thing with AV Evermatte. It's like this like jelly stuff, and you like rub it in your pores here or wherever you have pores. Like I have big pores here, 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 and here, and you take a little spatula that's over there in my cosmetics or my skincare. Take a little spatula and you just kind of rub it in there. It's definitely weird, but I do like it. Like I said, this was $12.99 too. I think that's all I picked up. No, I take it back. I picked up more stuff from Burke's Outlet. I went a little crazy at Burke's Outlet. I mean, a lot of the stuff was like clearanced out and stuff, so I wanted to buy it cheaply. This is 2 e.l.f. products. I have already used these. Well, I haven't used this yet, but I've used this brush. This is the e.l.f. Contouring brush. It was $3.99 or $2.99. I think that you can find this on their spring sale if it's still available. It's for contouring your cheeks. Honestly, it's a little yeah, it's dirty. A little sparse for me. I tried contouring with it. I feel like this would be better for like highlight because it's really soft. And I like a denser brush for contouring. But I mean, $2.99, I like these brushes. I have one other of these like clear handle brushes, and it's a good brush. I'm not going to show you this head of this thing because it's like really dirty. But it's the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. I don't think they have this on their website anymore. I found this for $2.99. It's a cleansing brush. I used it to blend out my makeup, but it didn't really work for that. Yeah, I was just trying it out that way. It didn't work that way. But it also has a little spatula so you could dip out like a mask and put it on your face and then cleanse your face with the Aura Cleanser or whatever. But it was only $2.99 and I wanted something for the shower, so I got this. I just need to clean it. So I'm going to put that with my brushes. Alright, that is all the stuff from Burke's Outlet. I did get one thing from JCPenney's. My mom bought me this. It's a tin. It's amazing, easy to use. Shampoo and condition your hair, spray all through your hair, and comb through. It's a miracle leave-in treatment. To me, it's like a detangler or like a leave-in conditioner. I really like this. This is one of the high-end products that I would pay for. I was using Garnier products in my hair, and my hairdresser noticed that my hair was really had a bad buildup, so I stopped using Garnier products because I was even using their hair mask, and I did like it, but it was building up my hair, especially about right here in the roots, and she tried to dry my hair and it would not dry, which I kept wondering why, and so I stopped using it, and my hair has never have felt better. I use the Paul Mitchell shampoo, and then I use this. I don't even condition my hair because my hair is actually really healthy and soft right now, and I have really short hair, so I don't use conditioner because my hair is mostly oily. If I use conditioner, my hair gets really greasy and oily, so I use this as like a leave-in conditioner treatment. I absolutely love this stuff. I'm so grateful that my mom got it for me. I need to get, next time I run out of it, I do need to get it. Okay, so I did buy one thing from H-E-B. It's a grocery store here, kind of like Walmart. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. I heard people really rave about this, and I wanted to try a loose powder. I used to have the, Oh, everybody talks about it. The one Cody Airspun. I did not like that one because of the smell. So I wanted to try this to use for baking sometimes and just use as an overall powder because I have a couple powders I really like, but I didn't have a loose powder, and this one is just in fair light, so it's not like translucent, but it matches my skin tone and I like it. I like the feel of it. And then I also picked up the Maybelline Studio. I really like this. I'm gonna do its own review, but this is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and I got it in soft brown, I think. Yeah, soft brown, $2.55. But I do like this. It has like a little spoolie on it like that. It's kind of like the one from Ulta or Benefit Brow Gimme, kind of. It's like that. But I actually really like it, and it doesn't pull out a lot of product or anything like that. Okay, now on to CVS. I did go to CVS and pick up some drugstore products. I wanted a palette from Milania. This is the Milania Must Have Metallics Everyday Eyes. This was like $11. The colors on this are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they are just phenomenal. I'm actually really glad I picked this up. The black is not the greatest, but let's see if I can get good swatches of that. You can see that. That's the swatches of the palette. That's what it looks like. I would definitely buy another one of these, maybe in a different tone. This is the warm. I feel like these are warm colors, but I really like it, and that gold has a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you can see that. It's got some in the pan and a little bit right. Well, yeah, it's got a little bit of fallout, so you definitely would have to be careful, but in my opinion, I actually like that. Well, I don't like the fallout. I just like that color. I live for gold. I live for gold. I would put gold on my eyes every day if I could, but I don't. Anyways. Okay, mascaras. I also bought the Total Temptation mascara from H-E-B. This burned my eyes. This burned my eyes. So I really don't know if I can keep it or not. It's brand new. I used it once and it burned my eyes. So I don't know. I may give it one more time, but okay, CVS. Sorry, forgot about that. Milania eyeshadow primer. This is fabulous, $5. I love this as a repurchase for me. This is 01 Nude. I love this. I would repurchase it over and over and over again. This is the LA Colors. I got some LA Color stuff. This is, or not LA Girl, I'm sorry. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I do like this. However, I did put it under my eyes. I'm trying to figure out if this burned my eyes too or not, because I didn't use the mascara at the same time, so I'm not sure. I'm going to keep trying it, give it another chance, but I do like the coverage. I may not use it around my eyes, but I do like it. Would I repurchase it? I don't know. The LA Girl Pro Coverage, I got fair. I was not able to swatch this. This was like $7. I heard some people say it was really good. The coverage was really good. I swatched this on my arm. This oxidized so bad, I looked like I had a rash on my arm. It was darker than my face. Like, it was 3 times darker than my arm. It would look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm not kidding, guys. I did not even put this on my face. I just swatched it because I wanted to see what it would do. Holy cannoli, this is not fair. This is like Oompa Loompa color. Like, I've never in my life ever seen a shade of foundation oxidize so fast and change so fast. It looks good when it comes out, but holy cannoli, I do not understand where in the world they were going with this. Like, if this works for you and this is your shade, I will send it to you. I didn't even use it. All I did was pump out 1 squirt on my arm and it was the wrong shade. Now, maybe I'm just crazy. I don't know. If you want it, if you're not, it's probably gonna go in the trash, but let me know. I'll leave it open for someone. If someone doesn't want it, I'll just pass it on or throw it in the trash. I don't know. Okay, moving on. Sephora is the last order. I got some samples. No, I'm taking it back. One more drugstore product. This is the Maybelline. Because that mascara burned my eyes and I didn't have any mascara, this is the Maybelline's Falsies Volume Express. I have used this before. It is alright, but I just repurchased it, so it's just a repurchase. Okay, moving on. Sephora. I got some samples. I got the Vice Urban Decay Specials Effects. Those are the colors. I will test them out and get ready with me or something. I don't know. I know they're on clearance, so who knows. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I got a little sample of this with my points perk. I'm going to squeeze this into my bigger one and make sure it goes like a little bit longer, and then I'll purchase a bigger one again. But I already had points, so I just figured I'll get it because I use it anyways. Also, I had 200 points, so I also got the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying with Zinc and Copper. I really like this. It has a very medicinal smell, but it's really good. I've used it before. I have, I had a sample of it before. Then I got 2 samples of the Versace cologne and the Good Girl Gone Bad by Killa. I like the women's one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the men one. I don't know if my husband will use it or not. And then also I got a point perk, or not a point perk. You spend so much money, you can get a promo code thing. This is the Smashbox Super Fan Out Mascara. It's a little sample. I'm gonna do a video separate on that to see how I like it. Then I also bought the Becca, these are on sale right now, the Becca Light Chaser Highlighter for face and eye. Okay, so this was $34 originally, and then I got it on sale for $17. I would not have paid $34 for this. This is the original Becca Opal. Look, this is the size difference here. There is a big size. This is 6.5, and this is 8 grams. That's 6... this is 6 grams, this is 8 grams. The difference in these are sizes, of course, how much grams you get. I would definitely, and this can only be used for 12 months, and this is 24 months, so, interesting. So anyways, this is my absolute favorite eyeshadow in the entire, not eyeshadow, highlighter in all of the world. I love that one, that's my favorite. So I wanted to try a different one. So this one is called Pearl Flashes Gold. So I was curious to see if this, because it looked gold in the pan, that's what it looks like. I put it on my skin today. I definitely would not use a fan brush with this. I would use a denser brush. The formula of this is a little bit different. If you do not like the full size, the original, because they're really soft and buttery, this is a little more dense and a little more, it's pigmented, don't get me wrong, it's very pigmented. I don't know if you can see it. I blended it out because when I got a denser brush, it really showed up and it was like there to stay, and so I sort of blended it out a little bit because it was like a little bit too much for me today, at least because I was doing like a minimal look. But I definitely like this, and I definitely am glad I purchased this. I just glad I didn't pay price for it. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I'll figure it out. Okay, last product. This is the Christy Elena Urban Decay palette. This is was on clearance on Urban Decay. I don't think there's any more now. I will do swatches of this in another video because my camera is flashing at me and I'm not sure if it's still recording or not. I will find out. But anyways, this is the palette I got. I absolutely love it. The pigment's beautiful, but I will do swatch of this in another video. Alright guys, see you later. Bye!